Now, how many other deals do you guys have here in Austin?
We have about 10 addresses that we have in different phases of construction.
Wow.
Either planning, permitting, in construction, in demo, all different phases.
How did you find your niche?
Well, I found out I was really good at design, so I do a lot of the interior selections. And I'm also really good at research and finding things and figuring stuff out. So it's just a matter of going out there, and then I just don't kind of give up.
And you love doing it.
Most days.
And you're making magic happen, because what you just did in this particular house here, it's beautiful. What are you guys looking for?
We'd like to get into, maybe it's a $20 million house, maybe it's a $50 million house. I don't know what it's going to be, but we're going to keep pushing ahead.
Yeah.
You just need to have the right team with the right brain and the persistency of figuring it out. What do you guys do for fun?
We like to travel. We like to have all the kids over to play in the pool in the summer.
How do you even manage to find time to go on vacation and have the energy for it?
So we're all in all week long, 5 days a week, 12 hours a day, we're all in.
We do take vacations, and we have a couple of the sons that are project managers, so they're taking, they're able to run projects while we're gone. We've also acknowledged that we'll have phone calls we have to answer while we're, on the beach, but we handle it, and it's just part of what it is.
Who do you thank you to get you guys here today? Is there anyone that you guys like to say thank you to?
We would like to say thanks to Phil and Chenoa, because they have been a big part of our journey.